Welcome back, IT security researchers, and in today's portion of the RAT course, we are going to encrypt traffic both ways, from the client to the server and the server to the client, and we're not going to write a single line of code to do it either, because Delphi's just that badass, boys. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm going to go ahead and open up Wireshark, because I'd like to show you guys something. So I am going to use my loopback, if I can find it. Jesus Christ. Oh, here it is. Okay, so here's my loopback adapter, and I'm going to minimize this. So let's go ahead and run the RAT. I want to show you guys a little something. For those of you who don't know this, and it would be really embarrassing if you don't, but, well, yeah, you'll learn. Okay, so when you're sending traffic across a socket connection, as we've got it right now, you're doing so unencrypted. So it's raw, right? Well, that's not a good thing, because whenever people see your project, they can Wireshark you and see all the data flowing between you and them. And that is not good for IT security. So let's go ahead and let's pull open webcam capture. Now I don't have my webcam plugged in, so it's just going to be white. But I am going to open up Wireshark, pull it aside, and we're going to start capturing camera. And I'm going to turn it off, close out of everything, and I'm going to show you guys just what the heck that did, right? So let's stop the capture, and let's try looking through here and see if we can find some data to look at. So we need to find, there we go. That is not a good thing, guys. You see this right here? So if I were to look at the data of this, you can clearly see, here, let me, where the hell is that? Let's see here. Where in the absolute shit did they put the view window? Why do I have to view it like this? Sorry guys, just give me a minute. It's been a while since I screwed around with Wireshark. Let's look for, there should be a way to pull this up in a bigger window. You gotta be kidding me. Hexadecimal, blah, blah, blah. Well, in any case, guys, you can clearly see right here the actual packet data. Some of it is going to look a bit mashed up, and I'm going to explain the reason for this, but as you can clearly see, we have the actual string text data for our commands. And that's going to give other researchers that are looking into this, you know, and possibly people that might even be looking to crack your software, if this was in fact a software that you were, you know, trying to license over the internet via sockets, they would easily be able to look through this and say, hey, this is, you know, this is what it's doing. This is a webcam frame, pipe 0, so that's got to mean something. I'm guessing, you know, this is a webcam frame on device 0 maybe, and it is a compressed data, so that's why we have all this ugly stuff down below. It's not encrypted, mind you. We could potentially decompress this if we had the proper libraries, and we could then look at that data, and that's going to show you everything. That's embarrassing, guys. That's really, really bad, because, you know, if you don't watch what you're doing, you're going to be sending over raw data that people can just look at and extract whatever the hell they want to out of it. That is not a good thing, okay? So let's go ahead, and I want to close out Wireshark now. Now that I've shown you proof of concept, you know, this is unencrypted shit. We can just look right through it. So let's go ahead and quit without saving, and I'm going to now show you how to remedy such an issue. So you'll go to your server and you will click on the server socket. You will then look for encryption, and you will set it to whatever your heart desires that's currently available for this socket library. For me, I'm just going to use Blowfish. It's not very good, but this is just an example. You guys are more than welcome to try out triple des. You've got, let's see here, RC6 is all right. Triple des is really good. But pretty much all of these can be cracked. You know, no offense, that kind of sucks, but there's nothing that truly, nothing out of this that can truly be, you know, not cracked. Every bit of this can be cracked, but the thing is, the reason for using it is really just one extra step of security, if you will. So like, for example, if it's a lot better than, say, some, you know, script kiddie guy getting a hold of your shit and being able to say, oh, this is sending this and that. I understand what's going on. But with a little bit of extra security, they're not going to know jack. You know what I mean? So you just put this to Blowfish. You can also add socket compression, which is kind of cool. You've got default, fastest, max, and none, of course. I'm not compressing anything because I'm compressing it in code anyway for some of the commands. Now, you could take it a step further and do maximum if you want and see how fast that can stream stuff, but I'm not going to mess with that. That's up to you. But I'm going to do encryption to Blowfish, and I put the encryption key as my super secret enc key. So my super secret encryption key, right? Now, you have to do the same thing on the client. So go to the client, select the socket, select the encryption type of Blowfish, in my case, and you have to have the same encryption key, my super secret encryption key. See? All right. So once you've done that, you want to save, run, and run. And now that we have this already listening, oh, there it is. Every single thing that comes between either one is now fully blown encrypted with Blowfish. So let's go ahead and do webcam capture, I suppose, again. Let's go ahead and get Wireshark up and running real fast again and use our loopback traffic adapter here. I'm going to pull this off to the side, boys, and then we're going to start the capture, and we're going to stop the capture, close out, close out, close out, stop this, and we're going to look up through some of our data. And as you can clearly see, now everything is literally just total shit. There's no way you're looking through this. Not as it is. You'd have to take the data packet and decrypt the data within. So as you can see, much better, right? So that, my friends, is how you add a simple, basic encryption with NetCom7 sockets in Delphi. So that's it. That's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that real fast, so that way you understand that that's how easy it is to do. Point, click, save, run. That's it. No coding whatsoever. You don't have to write a single line of code, and you've got full-blown encryption in your thing, right? And that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else I really wanted to show you for this video. I guess that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. So guys, keep practicing. I will be continuing the series. So I've got a lot of requests from you guys, and I'm looking through them. Probably going to do the file manager really soon. I've just had a really busy time, so I've got to get time together to do it. I already really have the code. I have hundreds of thousands of projects on external drives that I can just pull this stuff from. So it's just a matter of finding time one afternoon to copy and paste it over, look through it, make it work with this project, and that's it. So I will catch you boys in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. If you are, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. To keep the channel going. I really need to grow this channel, so I'm trying my best to give you guys you know, at least decent quality stuff to learn from. And again, I'll reiterate this, the reason that I've made this project to begin with isn't to sit here and program a fully blown rat for you guys. It's to get you thinking and to get IT security researchers to understand that, you know, this stuff is really not that difficult, and you need to get to researching and working together to create projects like this, so you can better understand, you know, how these things are built, how they're made, what they do, how they work under the hood. That way you can become better IT security researchers overall. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.